Hey guys, my name is Juan Antonio. I'm here with my dog Tony. He's just chilling in the background. I wanted to introduce you guys to my favorite tool in the house, and it is my vacuum cleaner, the Dyson V8 Animal. I'll make sure to post below so that you guys can find the link to that. It is something that has saved me so much time, so much energy. It's helped my back issues. I kind of kept complaining about how many times I have to clean because of my baby, my little dog here, Tony. And you know, he sheds, not as bad as other dogs, but he definitely sheds. And of course, I don't like sweeping, and it's something you kind of have to do every day. You should be doing every day, to be honest, even if it's just something light and overall. I actually got this recommendation from a friend who owned it already, and she just loved it and raved about it all the time. The Pro's super strong machine, and you could honestly clean up a room really, really quick. The cool thing is that it does come with a nice stand that you could, a unit where you could attach it to your wall, and you could just kind of hang the pieces on there. I don't have that, I just kind of put it in my closet, but I think it's pretty fancy and it's nice. It's also really good for like cobwebs that, you know, appear on the corners of your walls. The cons, it is a little pricey, but for me it was worth the investment, especially when I was thinking about how much time I was using just sweeping my apartment or not sweeping it because I didn't have time, and therefore there was like dust bunnies and I would be sneezing. It does tend to run out of charge pretty fast. It's rechargeable and it ends up kind of cutting off. I don't recommend this to someone who wants to vacuum their entire house. It pretty much gives you about 30 minutes. So if you can clean your house in that amount of time, then great. It has a feature of just doing like normal vacuuming or max power. What I do is I fully charge it, and then I pretty much go really fast. And with this tool you can. The suction is super strong, and it is a high quality product. I prefer the Max. So I believe if you use the one with less power, just regular vacuum setting, it'll use less battery, which means it'll last longer. So you just have to figure it out. I just wanted to recommend this to anybody who has a small space. Honestly, you could even just have it for your personal room as something to just kind of use every once in a while for those that have allergy problems, or they have a dog or an animal. It's also a nice way to keep your place clean when people come over. It sucks it all in. And I cannot wait to show you how much crap I get from my apartment. Mind you, I do this every day. So let's check it out. Let's get to it. I just want to introduce you guys to the animal. This is the sleek Dyson V8 Animal. It is currently charging. Once it reaches 3 blue bars, it's ready to go. Here's a quick look at the overall space. As you can see, it's almost finished charging. On the top, you can select either max vacuum or regular vacuum. The max vacuum will take up more battery, therefore giving you less time. This is the smaller piece, great for detail, crevices, small spaces that are very hard to reach. Here's the bigger piece. The scratch marks are from me going under my bed. Okay, now it's time to empty out the container. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lift the red nozzle. In order to properly close the container, you must push down the top part, which will also shoot out the rest of the debris. It took me about 20 minutes to clean up my whole entire apartment, including my bathroom, my kitchen, my hallway, my room. It is 100% worth the investment. Trust me. You're gonna love yourself for getting those. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you. Bye.